Hello dear students, as all of you are aware with that Newton gave his famous corpuscular theory in 1675. Just after 2 years, in 1678, another scientist, Hygiene, contradicted Newton and gave his principle, where he proved that light has wave nature. But the Hygiene's principle was not accepted till 1850. In 1850, another scientist named as Foucault contradicted Newton once again and proved that light have more speed in rarer medium than denser medium. So if you want to go into the details of wave optics and many more topics, then don't worry, we are going to launch a crash course named as Target Term 2, where we will provide you free doubt sessions, we will provide you mind mapping sessions, and we will solve plenty of questions which have been asked in previous year board examinations. So what you are waiting for? Connect with us only at Olexpert.